Hello everyone, myself Dr. Triparna Shaha, and on my YouTube channel we are currently talking about the 5 course specialization that is being offered by the Coursera named as Deep Learning. This course has been given by the deeplearning.ai, and thanks to my university Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology along with Coursera, I am able to finish this specialization. So in this specialization, there are basically 5 courses are there. So the first 3 courses about them, the reviews are already given in my channel. These are the 3 reviews of the first 3 courses. Today we are going to talk about the fourth course, that is the convolutional neural network. So, convolutional neural network, it's a very interesting topic, and in today's world, in the AI domain, is getting much and much more popularity. It has different or tremendous applications in image processing or in audio processing. So, this convolutional neural network course is basically a 4 week course. In the week 1, it will start with the foundation of convolutional neural network. Here you can understand what does it mean by the word convolution, and what is the pooling layer, what are the convolution layers, and what is the fully connected layer in this CNN architecture. Then it will be about the case studies in deep convolutional models. After that, the week 3 will delve into the object detection, while the week 4 will be about face recognition and neural style transfer. So let us go into the details of that. So this particular course has already been told that it's a 4 week course. So in the week 1, as we have told, that it will be starting with the details about the what is convolution, and this convolution will be talked from the edge detection part. So if you are someone who has some knowledge about image processing or computer vision, it will be very much helpful to you to understand the nitty gritty of the edge detection. If you are not familiar with that, then also Professor Nag has delved into the details so that you can understand what does it mean to be a convolution. And in the concept of convolution, the other two concepts, that is the padding and strided convolutions, that will also be talked about. So this particular course will be in very much in details of a CNN course that I have come across during this lockdown period. Then after that convolution, it will be about the pooling layers. After the pooling layer, the course will the week 1 of the course we have going to have a quiz of 10 questions. Then there will be 2 programming assignments where you will know the step by step implementation of convolutional models and the application of that model. That is all about week 1. In the week 2, it's about what is a residual network. Then inception network, that will also be talked about. Then in the earlier course, that is in this structuring machine learning projects, we have told you in this course there is one module about transfer learning. That same thing will be here in the week 2 of the CNN course as well. The transfer learning based on that data augmentation will be talked about. Then this course on the week 2 is going to have a quiz of 10 questions. After the quiz, you are going to have a programming assignment on residual network. That is all about week 2. In the week 3, it will be about a case study of object localization landmark detection, that you are going to know about. In the object detection, you only look once, that is YOLO algorithm, that will also be talked about. So you are going to know the basic concepts of the CNN architecture in detailed. And it's then the week 3 going to have a quiz of 10 questions with another programming assignment where you will understand how to detect card using YOLO algorithm. Then in the week 4, that is the last week of the CNN, here it will be about the face recognition. In the earlier week it was much more about card detection, but here it will be about how to recognize a face. Then another case study will be talked about in details, that is the neural style transfer, that is also be there. Then in the quiz section there will be 10 questions as well in the week 4, and in the programming assignment there will be two programming assignment. One regarding the neural style transfer. I really like this particular programming assignment, as this type of things we have, if you are familiar with Facebook or any other social media, you might sometimes come across this type of particular applications, and these particular application can be generated using CNN model. So if you can go through this particular programming assignment, you can relate to that. Then on this particular programming assignment, it will be about face recognition. So this course I have completed on June 16, 2020. It's a 4 weeks of study, and you need 4 to 5 hours per week. And in my opinion, if you are someone who is willing to learn CNN or convolutional neural network, it's a must to do course. I will give it 5 out of 5 rating, as in my opinion you should and you must go through this course in detail. And I was not familiar about deep neural networks in details before completing this course. But after completing this course, I have so much strength in CNN. I become much more confident in whatever be the CNN topics that are relevant in today's world, or different papers that are there. I can easily understand the papers what they are trying to mean after the completion of this particular course. So I will suggest you should must. And if you do not have this currently, if you do not have time, then please find time to complete this particular course if you are interested in the deep learning domain. So thank you everyone for watching this particular video, and happy studying.